Yo, I don't know if y'all heard, but Soundpeace is officially evolving the open ear game with the Clip1. We looking at a high resolution new Dolby sound in a design that stays completely outside the ear. It's engineered to set a new benchmark for premium audio on the move, and we here to see if it delivers just that. It's 𝗕𝗘𝗏𝗏𝗃𝗏𝗍, and I'm back with another major product review, new and approved, quality tested. And today we looking at the Soundpeace Clip1 open earbuds. All right, so let's see what the presentation is hitting for inside the package. The case, first we have the hardware. As soon as you take the front of the case off, first thing you see is this charging case, which has a serious shiny glossy finish that gives it that high-end standout look. Okay, next is the most important thing that should come in every package. The USB-C cable should always be number 2 for fast power. Always need that. In the documentation, we see on the other side of the front of the box as well. This is the back, this is the front. It's like a little arrow, and you should be able to pull out you a quick start guide and the user manual. Everything is packed clean and professional, exactly how it should be. Got a user guide, you got this peak audio notification that tells you to download the app and enjoy exclusive benefits. This is like a whole little booklet too. Then you got last but not least, they give you some stickers. I guess this is part of their logo or mascot, something like that. It's dope to still throw in there. Anything bonus that's dope is major, you know what I mean? So we're gonna set the box aside because the hardware resume here is strictly elite. Soundpeace integrated high-res audio wireless LDAC support and full Dolby audio, earning them the VGP 2025 Summer Gold Awards. But the real game changer is the AudioSense technology. These buds are completely interchangeable. You grab either one, clip it on, and it instantly assigns the correct channel. No other brand is doing that. Pair that with the Inflex Arch for a 5-gram zero pressure fit, and you get high fidelity sound that lets you stay 100% connected to your surroundings. While standard open ear joints lose their punch, the Dynamic EQ Pro here maintains a heavy low end. When you combine these 12 mm drivers with Dolby integration, the soundstage feels massive. You get crispy highs and deep texture lows without ever plugging in your ear canal, man. This is specialized audio built for the daily grind, which y'all know I'm all about. So I'ma always mention the Soundpeace Clip1 is a powerhouse. It delivers innovation, the comfort, and the high fidelity sound that makes it a true standout for the culture. Oh yeah, that's how it go. Man, what? That's definitely just floating out the ear. Not all the way in your shit, you know what I mean? Hold on, let me put the other one in first. Yeah, you just throw it on your. Y'all seen, I know y'all seen how I just clipped that joint on. Like, I know y'all just seen how I just clipped that joint on. And this is also a charging case. Do not forget that. That's the third most important thing that comes with the product. You can secure yours at their official website, soundpeace.com, or find a link to their official Amazon store in the description below. Like, comment, and subscribe to see more. This is the new peak for open ear audio. Stand by me, Mage.